Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning, students. I am your biology teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Before vacation, we have started our lesson heredity and evaluation. On that, we have discussed about what is the meaning of heredity and evaluation. What is heredity? It is the transmission of the genetics or characters from parents to the offspring. And what is the meaning of evaluation? It is the changes which occur in any human beings or animals. On that, we have discussed about Mendel's laws. In that, we have studied pea plant. On that pea plant, Mendel takes a pea plant and experiment on it. Like he have taken 7 characters and cross section as first as a monohybrid cross. In it, only one factor is taken. We are calling it as monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. In this, 2 factors are taken for the cross section. That's why we are calling it as dihybrid cross. So now we will start. How do traits get expressed? What is the meaning of trait here? The characters. Mendel hypothesized that each character or trait is expressed due to a pair of factors. Any character which are transferred from parents to the offspring, which means factors are expressed. So here factors can be renamed as genes. These genes are segmented of a nucleic acid called DNA, which is present in the nucleus of the nucleus of every cell. Where is the DNA present? In the nucleic acid. And what is the full form of the DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. And it controls expression of a trait or character. Every expression or trait can be expressed with the help of a DNA. And in some viruses, RNA can control the expression of a character. In viruses, every expression or character can be explained with the help of RNA. What is the full form of the RNA here? Ribonucleic acid. See here. In 1950, the structure of DNA was worked out by the Rosalind Franklin, Francis Crick, James Watson and Maurice Wilkins. These are the scientists who worked on the structure of the DNA. They discovered the DNA molecules looks rather like a spiral staircase having a shape known as double helix. The framework of staircase consists of alternate sugar and phosphate group. See here. This is the structure of a DNA. This is a stair-like and double helical structure. The alternate consist of sugar and phosphates. And steps which join the framework together, they are called as bases, namely adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Watson, Crick and Wilkins were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize in the year 1962. So traits are determined by a chemical nature of the DNA and the slight changes in it leads to variations. Color of the hair and skin, etc. are example of the trait. So every where the characters can be expressed with the help of the DNA. No, if any changes in the DNA, which we call it as genetical variations. Second is sex determination in human being. How the sex can be determined in the human beings. So, in our human being's body, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes are present, which means 46 chromosomes are present. Out of 23, 22 pairs of chromosomes are autosomes. This chromosome number cannot be differ from between males and females. In these 22 pairs are same in males and females. So these all species are called as autosomes. And the remaining one pair is called allosomes or sex chromosomes, because these chromosomes will define a baby will have a male or female. So these are of 2 types. One is X and other is Y. These 2 chromosomes determine the sex of an individual. So female have 2 X chromosomes. We are saying 2 pairs. No, 2 pairs means 2. So if XX is having, then a baby will be a female. If X and Y chromosomes will be there, then we will call it as male. All the gametes produced by a woman have only X chromosomes. Women have only X and X type of chromosomes, but in male there are two different types of chromosomes are there. One is X and other one is Y. So if this sperm carries Y chromosomes and fertilize the ovum, then baby will be a XY. What is the meaning of XY here? Is the male no, which means a baby will be a boy. Observe the diagram here of father sex chromosomes and the mother sex chromosomes. If a child gets X and Y type of chromosomes, then the child will be a male. If X and X chromosomes will be gained, then the gametes will be like female child. See here, what is 23 pairs of chromosomes, no, which means 44 and 44 male or female getting. So see here when the male and the female cross section will be done. See here, 2 baby girls and 2 baby boys will be born. So firstly, Walter Sutton and Thomas Hunt Morgan in the year 1956 studied on a small fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, at Columbia University. So first, Watson and Walter and Thomas did the experiment on the Drosophila melanogaster. He experimented on this fly and said that any characters can be transferred from one fly to another fly with the help of the chromosomes or genes. They worked out and details of the inheritance in Drosophila. So they worked on the Drosophila melanogaster fly and said that any character can be transferred with the help of the genes or chromosomes. Evaluation. What is the meaning of evaluation? Changes. Variations developed during reproduction in organism. Any variation which occur during the reproduction, we are calling it as evaluation. Sexual production and errors in DNA copying leads to variation in offsprings of a population. So any changing or variations occur due to the errors in the DNA. So let us see the consequences or variations in the population of the beetles. See here, a crow and a beetles are there. So first see the diagram. See here, beetles are there and crows are there. So see here, in the first situation, only one type of green color beetle are there and 11 red color beetles are there. Likewise, the number is increased. Here, red color beetles are disappear. Or let us consider a group of 12 beetles. They live in a bushes on green leaves, where the beetles are living at the bushes or green plants. Their population will grow by sexual reproduction, so they are able to generate variations in the populations. So the beetles are living in the bushes or green trees. No. So what is the color of the beetles here? Green color, red color. So situation 1. See here carefully. In this, 12 beetles are there. On that, one beetle is having green color. And likewise, when the times changes, their population are growing because so beetles are living in the green colored bushes. No. So crows eat the beetles. So red color beetles can be seen with the naked eye. So crows mostly eat the red color beetles, and green color beetles cannot be seen. So tree color or bushes color will be green and beetles color will be green. So crows cannot eat the beetles here. So likewise their population can be grown. This is called as natural selection. This is natural selection, no. So beetles population to fit in the environment better. Likewise, red color beetle population can be decreased here and green colored beetles population is increasing because of the natural process, because here crows cannot see the beetles which are present in the green color. So their population is growing here. Situation 2. See here, beetles are having red color but one beetle having blue color. So crows can see blue color beetles also, red color beetles also. But when an elephant came to trees and its footprint at the mud or bushes, so red color beetles are died because of the elephant footed on that. So blue color beetles can grow fast because red color beetles are died, and blue color beetles generation or population is growing. This drift we are calling it as genetic drift. Situation third. See here size. For in first situation, beetle size is big, but in second and third situation, the beetle size is decreased, because when beetles are living in the bushes, no any disease can be occur into the bushes, their leaves can be damaged, so beetles cannot get food, so they decrease their weight or their starvation will be occur. Due to they will decrease their size, and when the diseases vanishes, their size or they will be starvation is over, so they will gain their own position. In this, any size or shape cannot be defined as a genetic drift, because here due to the starvation their size is decreased, and due to do not having starvation their size is increased. So this is not coming into the genetic or any variations or evaluations. So therefore the experience of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on its progeny. So this size or shape cannot be defined as any genetical drift, because here only we are saying that only characters can be transferred from parents to the progeny. Okay, thank you. We will. So your homework is 13th question. Male is responsible for sex determination of baby. Do you agree? If so, write your answer with a flow chart. This is your homework. You have to submit it to the evening. Okay, thank you.